Welcome to Fast Track Capital Solutions Division. Our capital solutions includes finance consulting, corporate finance, business loans, mergers and acquisitions, and IPO advisory. As a division of Fast Track Corporate Solutions Private Limited, we are ISO certified and support the growth-driven businesses as the complete corporate solutions partner. At Fast Track Capital Solutions, we believe in walking the extra mile for every client. We are driven by passion, integrity, and commitment to our clients. We empower MSMEs and growth-driven companies with structured finance solutions, strategic advisory, and capital market support. Our promise is simple: we help you grow. Think capital solutions, think Fast Track. Our comprehensive capital solutions portfolio is designed to support businesses across every stage of growth. We offer corporate finance advisory, flexible business loans, end-to-end M&A transaction support, IPO advisory, and strategic funding planning to align capital with business goals. Our values define how we work and the impact we deliver to every client. We operate with passion and enthusiasm, guided by integrity and transparency. We remain committed through every challenge, follow our client-first approach, and focus on value-driven solutions that create long-term, result-oriented partnerships. We provide comprehensive funding solutions across both debt and equity. Our debt offerings include working capital loans, term loans, purchase order financing, invoice discounting, project finance, and construction finance. We also support machinery and equipment loans, bank guarantees, export-import finance, M&A funding, and business growth loans. On the equity side, we support seed funding, angel investment, venture capital, private equity, growth equity, and IPO strategies, ensuring the right capital at the right time. Our strong funding network includes leading government and private sector banks, NBFCs, family offices, fund houses, equity investors, and capital markets, ensuring optimal capital solutions for all business needs. Fast Track delivers comprehensive M&A advisory services for MSMEs and growth companies. We bring deep expertise in the manufacturing sector, leveraging our industry knowledge and extensive network to secure optimal transactions for both buyers and sellers. From merger and acquisition strategy consulting and target identification to due diligence, deal structuring, regulatory advisory, and post-transaction integration, we support every phase of the transaction lifecycle. Our IPO advisory services support companies across every phase of their capital markets journey. From strategic planning and IPO readiness to regulatory compliance, stakeholder coordination, listing execution, and post-IPO advisory, ensuring a seamless, confident, and successful transition to public markets. What sets Fast Track apart in business lending is our deep expertise in business finance and client-focused approach. With a pan-India network, strong lender relationships, minimal documentation, fast approvals, flexible repayment structures, and dedicated consulting support, we deliver funding aligned to your cash flow and growth plans. Our M&A advisory is built on ethical, trust-led execution. We focus on promoter-aligned advisory, mid-market and manufacturing businesses, precise buyer target matchmaking, value enhancement before the deal, confidential and disciplined execution, and outcome-driven deal, ensuring long-term success beyond deal closure. Our IPO advisory practice combines strategic expertise with hands-on execution. From expert IPO consultants and deep business understanding to governance readiness, brand positioning, seamless listing support, and post-IPO advisory, we partner for sustainable growth beyond the IPO. Beyond capital solutions, Fast Track offers a complete suite of corporate services with strategic business divisions. These include management consulting, HR recruitment, training and capability building, branding and digital solutions, component development and global sourcing, outsourcing, business intelligence, and interim management, making us a truly integrated corporate solutions partner. Fast Track Capital Solutions serves a diverse range of industries, from automotive, electrical vehicles, aerospace and defense, automation and robotics, consumer electronics, electrical and electronics components and logistics, to healthcare, FMCG, retail, startups, and emerging businesses. We bring sector-specific expertise and tailored financial solutions for every business.
Ready to unlock strategic capital and growth potential? Connect with Fast Track Capital Solutions to discuss your capital needs and strategic objectives. Our team is ready to partner with you and help you achieve your business goals. Think Capital Solutions. Think Fast Track.